Hi again, guys. It is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have been very busy. I need to put a little bit more paper clay. I noticed when I was doing this, it looks really cute, by the way, I think, the side, how it comes out. But I need to look across and make sure that it's level and even, but I'm not there yet. So that's just the first piece that I have actually put on there. And in the front, all of this will get shaved down, sanded down. You won't see that right now. I just want it to dry and grip the glue and texture that's on there. I'll show you real quick how I did this. I just took a little chunk of my paper clay, and I'll point the camera down so you can see. So here's my mess. Here's my paper clay. And I thought I still had a little ball of clay out here somewhere. Maybe not. But I just took a little pinch of the clay. And this is what I keep having to put water in because it keeps drying up on me. So I just kind of formed that roll. And this might be too big. Yeah, let's try taking a little piece of that off. So you just start with small bits and give that an opportunity to dry. And then I just basically put it where I thought the middle was, and then I stretched it out so that it made it all the way across. And I just kind of give it a little shape there. I don't want to mess up my other side. So once it's got a little bit of shape, then I take my little tool that looks like this. I dip it in that water, and then I just start rolling it out, kind of mashing it down so that it starts grabbing that area above the cabinet. And like I said, later on, I'll go back in and I will attach another piece until it looks the way I want it to. So basically that's all I did, was just roll that out. And it's actually a lot like working with clay. You just got to keep just manipulating it and getting it. I like this tool because this tool is very flexible. So I can apply pressure to it. Wouldn't it be funny if I lucked out on this one and got it right the first time? But you got to make sure, because see, this one's kind of going down in the front. Got to bring it back up slightly and then roll out some more of that clay. There we go. That helped a lot. And then if it starts getting dry on you, you just dip it back in the water. And that's what I like about paper clay, I will be honest, is that you can make it really smooth really quick. And like I said, I'm just manipulating that paper clay until I get it a nice little ridge rolled out so that it's stuck up in here. And that's all I'm going to do, top and bottom. And then I'll work on making it look presentable. So there's the top. And now I'll work on this bottom. There's a little more room at the top, I think, than at the bottom. It's kind of hard to work this into it, but you can do it. I can do it, you can do it. Especially if I can do it, you can do it. So then after I get that, I just start kind of smoothing it out until it resembles that roll that we have on the actual piece of furniture that was our model. And then now this will take a few days. I give it several days to dry because I don't want mold to build up in there. Because then, no matter what, it's no good if it gets mold. Again, just roll that out until it looks the way you want it to. And that's what I like about this. Again, so you can really... And then the final piece, when I put it on, will go from here down and over. It'll be like a flat piece of clay. And I may actually get my pasta machine out and roll a piece of this out. Maybe wrap it in... what I do is I wrap it in wax paper so it doesn't gunk up my machine. And then I roll it out. So then I've got that side done, and you see it didn't take long. I just roll it. I don't want that to be really super sharp, this edge. So I will go back over and just kind of smooth it out. Until I get a nice round look to it. And again, like I said, if it feels dry to you, just go back to the water. And then at this point, I can add a little pressure. Roll that out. Give it a nice roll to it, not a peak. There we go. I kind of like that. And again, like I said, not perfect by any means, but do you see where now it's starting to look like the table? So I'll put another one over. Like I said, there'll be a little more down here. Make this a little thicker, that a little thicker, and make sure I don't have any nicks in it. And this stuff actually dries pretty smooth. So there you have it. There's stage 2. And then the final stage will be to cover this top. And again, I want to get my pasta roller and I want to roll this out to the absolute thinnest it can be, because I want to do the inside with the putty. And it won't matter if it's rough or not, because you will rarely see it. I just want it to be uniform. So that is step 2 of the table. And if I do say so myself, it doesn't look bad. Okay, so finished this table, the corner table. It was basic. It was 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces total. So I put these together against this this piece of wood, and then I put the tabletop down on it. And like I said, it's kind of tall, but I think I'm going to put a nice vase in it, like a decorative vase. I don't know yet. I want to go with maybe an Asian theme. I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.